only if we could able to implant something inside the subconscious mind, then that subconscious mind process it and then deliver it to the universe or that higher power, the higher system, God, universe, whatever that name you have or whatever you believe in, that system deliver there. So the subconscious mind is the processing. Now when the subconscious mind is working 24/7 like a machine or a system, but during the day our subconscious mind also keep getting distracted because so many things are happening. But there is one time when it receive whatever you are thinking and focusing, and that is at night before going to sleep. Yes, that is why I have said again and again in my earlier videos that the most important time in the day is the 5 minutes before you go to sleep. That is the most important time before you go to sleep, because that is when you are slowly shutting down your conscious mind or conscious self, and your subconscious mind is becoming lot more recipient, lot more energized, lot more active. So whatever you are feeding your subconscious mind in that last 5 minutes is the most important thing. And many people make the mistake of feeding their subconscious mind at that last 5 minutes, you know what? With anger, with frustration, with jealousy, with uncertainty, with doubt. And that is the biggest mistake. If you have been doing this mistake, my friend, my dear, dear, dear awesome tribe, you have to stop doing this. You have to stop doing this. This is the biggest, I don't have word. This is the biggest thing you can do for yourself. That because by default we have been programmed to do that thing. And you think about it, you can pause this video for a while and think about what are the things you think about just before going to sleep. Either you think about that bad job or the struggle that is happening in your job or studies in your life, or having that bad relationship, or who is jealous of you, or who is not responding to you, or any relationship that is not working, or someone is dying, some health issues, like this is the time of corona, you may be getting a lot of negative news, so you are worried about that, you are worried about many things, so you keep on thinking. Or what usually some other people do to distract from this, not to think about it, they indulge in watching some news, some web series, some movies, something, but only if it is a positive one. Still it is better than thinking this negative stuff. But again, because you are kind of in a negative state, so at that time you by default attracted to more of negative things, more of negative videos. Even if you are watching some documentaries or movies, it must be mostly filled with crime, some kind of negative stuff, some kind of negative experiences, because that is only your vibration. And if you keep feeding these negative things before going to sleep, your subconscious mind will process it all through the night and process it 100 times faster and better than it does during the day, because at night nothing else is happening, your conscious self is shut down and only subconscious is active. So whatever you feed, that's what you will get in the morning. And when you wake up in the morning, you wake up grumpy, you wake up angry, you wake up frustrated, you wake up sad, and mostly the same thought is going inside. And then you wonder, like, I should be positive, right? I should be happy, right? Why my manifestations are not coming true? My friend, your vibration has already gone down. You have spoiled your vibration. And no matter how much you try, you are not manifesting.